Welcome to One City Hall. This award-winning Diamante development in a vibrant downtown area of the city. This spacious one-bedroom plus den unit offers an open balcony and open-concept living area. This unit is steps to the financial district, Ryerson University, University of Toronto, hospitals, Eaton Centre, subway, shopping, theaters and fine dining restaurants. You can relax on the balcony or on the rooftop deck with barbecue area and a view of the CN Tower. This unit comes with fridge, stove, dishwasher, combined washer and dryer, electrical light fixtures and kitchen island.